if you're just getting used to fiber on a protective diet, or maybe your kids are joining you on a protective diet, I want to warn you, these chickpea chocolate chip cookies, sugar-free, nut-free, low-fat, fat-free, totally fat-free. This is the big cookie size, made with the wide mouth, ring lid, and half cup cookie. You might want to start out with the quarter cup size, using the regular mouth ring lid to shape them. So I blobbed down my quarter cup batters. I've got 12 cookies here. Just push it into shape like that and pull it off. There's your perfectly round cookie, because kids eat with their eyes. Big kids, adults, eat with their eyes. So that's why I use these ring lids to shape these, oh my gosh, glorious for your Akkermansia, your lower level microbes that produce short chain fatty acids that are anti-inflammatory to reduce and eliminate systemic inflammation, like it did in me and so many protective diet pros. Oh my gosh, share in the comments below what you reversed, what you put into remission. Was it plantar fasciitis, like me, walking around barefoot all the time in flip-flops? It's hard to believe, when I was hobbling around before I found my way on a protective diet. These chickpea chocolate chip cookies are just like high fiber, sugar-free, fat-free bombs. Oh my gosh. And packed with our lower level microbes, Akkermansia's favorite ingredients. Beta-glucan fiber of oats, oh yes, and cacao. Cranberries, frozen and handy in our freezer. We put those on top like a cherry on top because kids eat with their eyes, but they're sugar-free and tart. So you might want to start off with one per cookie. See how that comes together. And then, as if we need to make this even more delicious, we are with, these are 100% cacao wafers. Very bitter, but this is the chocolate that our microbiome prefers, that Akkermansia. They're fiending on this. They love it. And they will serve you for it, unlike your sugar-loving microbes that are relentless. When you give them a chocolate bar with sugar in it, they'll ask you for more chocolate about every 3 hours because they have to get their sugar fix. Not on a protective diet. We are not controlled by bad microbe demons in our gut. We're controlled by the fiber-loving good ones, so that they promote us eating a protective diet and sticking to it. That's how I do it with these. So I'm going to skip the cranberries on this one. I put them all over this one, or maybe I'll put them on. But I wanted to show you this little trick. So this is mineral-rich sea salt. And this, what I like to do is lift up the cookie and sprinkle it underneath, because that's the part that hits your tongue, right? We bite it cookie, chocolate, cranberry side up. So you can put some on the top just for eye appeal. It looks really pretty on top of the chocolate wafer, but I like to put it underneath, and Jerry agrees. He's like, yep. Give that a little sprinkle of that mineral-rich salt for my runner. It's so fun to be baking. I know my friends that are just getting started on a protective diet that love to bake but felt so guilty baking things and giving it to their family. It's like, why are we doing that? We're not doing that anymore. We're baking things and serving health to our family. to our family of microbes in our gut and our family's microbes. Promoting health, baking, oh my gosh, it's easy with a protective diet. Just follow the recipes. I will never steer you wrong. Let's get those cranberries on here, why not? Oh my gosh, they look so good just like that, but I'm gonna throw a few cranberries around, why not? The Akkermansia will thank me for it, and they will produce a byproduct of eating these polyphenols and fiber called butyrate. And butyrate is an anti-inflammatory short-chain fatty acid that serves me back for serving them. And it can keep arthritis in remission. It's been proven on a protective diet. We have so many testimonials of success of reducing systemic inflammation, pumping up your metabolism so that you can eat like a champion and stay super lean like Jerry and me. Oh my gosh, we eat like nobody's business. Comment below if you've had dinner at our house. I love feeding all my friends protectively. It's my greatest joy in life. Teaching them how to eat healthy and be well. I want healthy friends around my table. Healthy friends are my fun friends. They're climbing up the rocks. They're going on hikes. They're going on horseback riding, camping trips. They're doing it. They're living life. They're active. They're engaged. Join us on a protective diet and get some of these chickpea chocolate chip cookies in your oven. Take care.
And best of health.